Welcome back. Today is the third episode of Content Creation course brought to you by Snoolink, where we discuss whether content creation is actually a considerable profession, and if yes, how we guys can make a living out of it. Before we dive deep into today's lecture's agenda, I would like to share you 3 different ways in which content creation is having a personal life impact and why I believe it will have for you as well. Firstly, content creation is like a tool for self-development. The skills that you will require in order to become an essential and excellent content creator, such as writing, marketing, curating videos and audios, all of this will imbibe in your personality some very fine qualities that you'll require in day-to-day life. Secondly, content creation is a lot helpful in order to interact and build relations with people. And as you know, network is net worth. Imagine yourself that people will be able to see you, listen to you, know more about you before they actually even meet you. That's an amazing power to have, because that actually helps you to project the best self, the best image ahead in front of people so that they can have business with you, they can have personal relations with you, you can sell your product, you can sell the service or anything. Lastly, creating content helps you financially. Having given an amount of time and energy into content creation, you can easily get loads and lots of money as a passive income. So what's stopping you guys? On that note, let's straight away explore the possible options in which we can explore a profession in content creation and the prerequisite it demands. So before we dive deep into it, there are possibly 2 major options as a content creator. Firstly, either by working with companies where you handle their marketing and help them market effectively through your content creation. Or you can go for a solo approach where you either freelance or you work on your own side projects where you're able to generate money on your own, either build your own self brand, or you have a side business where you want to focus on. Having said that, the first speaker, Rui Rees, will talk about all the possible prerequisite skills and talents a company requires when they're looking out for a content creator.
I've gone through a lot of content creator jobs, and some of the most frequent requirements are the ability to come up with ideas together with the other teams and based on both general research on a topic, but also keyword research to figure out what terms and topics to target with your how to string together an engaging story and make it come to life via. Oftentimes you need a bit of experience with all these different formats and show it in your. Have concrete examples of your work. All recruiters want to see what you've made in the past, and make sure you have an. Brands want content that is on brand, using the right logos, colors and fonts. So it's super important that you have attention to detail when you post stuff on. Recruiters want you to know the platforms in and out, what works, what doesn't. You need to be a digital native. Lastly, they often mention your ability to collaborate as a requirement. This is important for any employee and much more so than for a freelance content creator.
Content creation is a fairly new concept, and with every fresh concept, people have a lot of misunderstandings and a lot of misconceptions. People think that is it actually enough money in content creation? And I believe and I assure you that there's enough money here. Given a proper skill set, proper talent, research, and a bit of luck that goes into content creation, obviously when I say luck, I mean the memes. But given that, if you have the right set of mixture that is required, you can easily create a hell lot of money in content creation. Angel Jackson will now talk about 8 different type of ways and platforms and streams in which you can monetize your content creation skills and talent and basically be batting in dollars.
One way as a creator that you can monetize your skill set is to create exclusive content. So you can have a membership that you offer exclusive content in. That can be platforms like Facebook or Patreon or any other where you literally share exclusive content, whether it's blogs or pictures. Let's say you are a photographer And you can have a membership site just for selling your photos. You can sell stock footage on a membership site. That's your exclusive content. You could do that. That's a way to monetize your skill set. Another way you can monetize your skill set is you can teach a course. There are courses about any and everything nowadays, from how to quilt to how to cook to photography. There's so many courses out there nowadays. It's amazing. It's a great way to share your skills and knowledge while also monetizing your skill set. You can teach on so many websites, whether it's Skillshare, Udemy, I don't know if I said that right. Another way to make money is probably something that you already know of, and that's with brand sponsorships or brand deals, sponsored posts. That's when a brand pays you to use their product, to incorporate their product on your feed. But even if it's not your feed, as a creator, you still can get brand sponsorship because a brand can pay you to create content for their platform. That's happened so many times. So, you know, let's just say, I don't know, a brand, Coca-Cola, wants you to create a video. Just because you may not have an influence or you may not have a large following, you're a great videographer or photographer, and they just want you to create some content for their Instagram. They pay you, again, to create for their platform. That's still brand sponsorship. That's a way to make money. Another way, of course, which is well known of making money, I gotta throw it out there, is with ads. Listen now, you can make ads on multiple platforms nowadays. You can make ads on YouTube, we all know that. You can also make ad revenue on Facebook. A lot of you guys don't know that. Yeah, you can make money from ads on Facebook. Ad revenue is a way you can make money also. That again is revenue based on views. Now, with ads, you can also push ads to your products and make money that way with ads. So let's say you have a book and you want to run ads for people to buy your book. You can make money that way. I've run ads on my products. Ads does generate revenue. So whether you're getting ads from your content you're pushing out or whether you're buying ads for promotions for your products, you can still make money with ads. I hope I didn't confuse you, but you know, whether it's ads on content or it's paid ads for services and promotions or products, you can make money with ads. Another way you can make money is with consulting services, one-on-one calls, whether, you know, it's a sit down or a meeting or phone call, any type of consult. If you want to hold somebody's hands for 6 months and mentor them, that's a way to make money, you know? So consultations is a way for you to share your skill set and knowledge and also get paid for it. Another way content creators can make money is, of course, by selling their own products. And I see people sleep on this all the time. You can sell so many things. If you're a photographer, you can still sell your stock photos. If you're a videographer, you can sell your stock videos. If you're an artist, you can sell your paintings and your creations. If you're a foodie, sell your recipes. You know, get you a recipe ebook or just create you a book full of your recipes. It's so many ways to sell your products and to monetize your brand, yourself, and your business as an entrepreneur and content creator. There are multiple ways to make money. So don't ever think you're limited to just one way of making money. I'm trying to give you guys ideas to help you, again, grow your income.
And now it's time for some final tips by Melissa. Content creation is surely going to help you build the life of your dreams, but don't expect anything overnight. Melissa is here to tell you how important it is for a content creator to just keep going and be focused on the process, on the art of creating content, and be patient enough to see actual results.
There's one main thing to keep in mind about monetization though, and it's the time investment. You won't make any money in your first 24 hours, and it might even take a few months before you see the money coming in. It's simple, it takes time to build a channel or even a personal brand. This is why many people will prefer to freelance during that time so they can still make a living until the project takes off.